All right, moving on from that retail space to SEBI proposing a new framework for retail investor participation in algorithmic trading. My colleague Ankur Mishra is joining in with the details of that story.
Yes, of course, SEBI has now released new norms for algo trading. Remember, till now, the retail participants were not allowed for algo trading. In fact, institutional investors were doing so. If you remember the last report, FII figures, which was last released by SEBI, it said 96 to 97% was done through algo trade. So now, participation of retail investors is allowed, but with the checks and balances. Now, what are those checks and balances? The brokers to act as principals and algo providers and agents for API-based trading. Apart from that, all algo orders to be tagged with unique identified with stock exchanges, so that if at all there is an audit which is conducted, later on that can be traced. The tech-savvy retail investors have also been given options that they can create their own algo, but how will it happen? It will only happen after a threshold of order per second. If this surpasses that, they can submit that kind of algo for approval, and later on that can be used by the retail investors. Now, brokers needs to ensure that strict API access controls with two-factor authentication that should be followed. There is an onus of responsibility which is kept at brokers as well as exchanges for the checks and balances. But all in all, for now, SEBI is in mood to allow retail investors for algo trading. The final rules will come into effect from 1st of August 2025.
All right, Ankur, thank you so much for joining in with the details.